Now to join two sentences, insert the correct conjunctions. And that's what we're going to do now. Join the sentences. Join the pairs of sentences. Pairs of sentences. Join the pairs of sentences by inserting correct conjunctions. Correct conjunctions. And that's what we are going to do now. Join the pairs. So first we are going to do is join the pairs of sentences by inserting correct conjunctions. And that's it. That's what we are going to do in these sentences. I'll give the sentences, then you insert. Okay. The first one. He came. He came. He sat beside his friend. He sat. He sat beside his friend. Okay? He came. He sat beside his friend. Next. Nancy was angry. Nancy was angry. That's one. She kept quiet. She kept quiet. She kept quiet. And the next one we have, wait here. Wait here. I return. I return. Then we have, I could not. I could not appear. I could not appear for the exam. That is one. I was ill. I was ill. Next we have, the table is polished. The table is polished. We have here, the table is polished. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. Then, she is slow. She is slow. And then, he is fast. Fast. And I can give you one more sentence. The farmer got up. The farmer got up. The next sentence, the crow cawed. Now let us join the pairs of sentences by inserting. We're going to insert a conjunction while we join these, and that's what we are going to do. Okay, now what is the first one. He came in. He sat beside his friend. So how will you join it? He came. After that, he came and sat beside his friend. So what is the first one? He came. What is the word we are using here? And. He came. So what is that word? And. We are using the conjunction and. He came and sat beside his friend. And sat beside. Sat beside his friend. That's the first one. And the second one. Nancy was angry. She kept quiet. So what will you say? Nancy was angry but kept quiet. Yes. Second one is Nancy was angry. Nancy was angry but. What word we are using here? What conjunction? We are using but. Nancy was angry but kept quiet. But kept quiet. Kept quiet. Third one. What's the third one? Wait here. I will return. The third one is wait here. I will return. So that will be wait here. Wait here. What is the word we are going to insert here? Till. Wait here. Till. Wait here. Till I return. Wait here. Till I return. I return. Next one. Fourth one. What are we doing? Fourth one. I could not appear for the exam. I was ill. I was ill. I was ill. I could not appear for the examination because I was ill. I could not. I could not appear for the exam. I could not appear for the exam because I was ill. Because I was ill. Okay, fifth one. Now what is the fifth one? The table is polished. It looks beautiful. The table is polished. So, the table is polished. So, it looks beautiful. So, the table is polished. The table is polished. Polished. So, it looks beautiful. So, it looks beautiful. Now, sixth one. She is slow, he is fast. So what will that be? She is slow, but she is slow. You can say she is either slow you can also make it, she is slow and he is fast. Okay, she is slow, she is slow, she is slow, and here, and he is fast. She is slow and he is fast. She is slow and he is fast. He is fast. Supposing we had she is slow, she is fast, you can say she is neither slow nor fast, we can say. Now the seventh one, the farmer got up and the crow cawed. You can say the farmer got up and the crow cawed. So what will you say? When the farmer got up, you will insert the conjunction when, beginning. When the farmer got up, the crow cawed. When the farmer got up, the crow cawed. Let's look at the 7 sentences. He came, he sat beside his friend. He came and sat beside his friend. Nancy was angry. She kept quiet. Nancy was angry but kept quiet. Wait here, I return. Wait here till I return. I could not appear for the exam. I was ill. I could not appear for the exam because I was ill. The table is polished. It looks beautiful. The table is polished, so it looks beautiful. She is slow. He is fast. She is slow and he is fast. The farmer got up. The crow cawed. When the farmer got up, the crow cawed. When the farmer got up, the crow cawed. So we learned to join the 2 sentences by inserting the correct conjunctions.